Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get beanstalk and grow a garden. If you want to get the rare beanstalk and grow a garden, here's how to do it. Beanstalk is a prismatic tier multi-harvest vine selling for 18,000 to 20,000 shekels per harvest and producing indefinitely. The first method is buying it from Sam's seed shop. The seed appears at the bottom of the prismatic section when in stock, with a tiny 0.03% to 0.005% spawn chance every 5 minutes. It costs 10 million shekels or 715 Robux to save in advance and monitor restocks frequently. Using private servers helps avoid competition, ensuring no one else snags your seed. The second method is letting your pets dig for it. Pets like golden labs, dogs, or red foxes can occasionally uncover seeds, though this is extremely rare. You can also use raccoons to steal beanstalk pods from other gardens. They create a copy for you rather than taking the original. Finally, community trades and gifts through Discord or Roblox groups offer another route to snag this elusive seed. Combining these methods maximizes your chance to grow beanstalk and enjoy its massive harvest. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.